Hi everybody, it's Derek here. Today I have with me this box of Persil Pro Clean Laundry Detergent discs. There are 38 discs in this box. Feel free to pause to read through any of the information you want to know. It's important stuff. Here are the instructions for opening up the lid. It has a reusable lid and a QR code. When it's unlocked, it opens up like this. You can put the laundry pods in there, or take them out and put them in a separate container like we do. Here's all the information about the pods on the back in both English and Spanish. You can pause to read through it if you'd like. You have the washing instructions up here and how many pods to use for certain amounts of levels of clothing. And yeah, pretty straightforward. Outside the box, here's what the discs look like up close. They're circular and very colorful. Just toss them into the washing machine and start it up and you're good to go. They're very useful and come in very handy. They're easy to use too. Try it out for yourself. This is a very good brand.